My name is Martin. So I came here to Colombia to Stem Cells Colombia to get a treatment. So basically, I had some condition in my lower back for about a decade, and it was finally diagnosed that I was missing some cartilage. And one of the treatments that I was looking into was stem cells, and I reached out to Mia at Stem Cells Colombia in Medellín, where I'm currently at right now. I just finished up 3 days of treatment, and it's pretty much been pain-free the whole process, from going back and forth on email, getting all the paperwork signed, everything paid, the driver picking me up at the airport, putting me in a hotel at the El Tesoro Mall where their office is also at, so you can literally walk for 5 minutes and you'll be at their office every morning. There's a full staff there. I did the IVs with the exosomes in the hyperbaric chamber, and I had injections in my lower back with stem cells, L5 through S1, where my condition was. And then today we just finished up some more IVs and more hyperbaric chamber. And everything has been a pretty painless process. I think more people should look into these kinds of treatments outside of the United States. Stem cells is definitely the future, and you can avoid a lot of surgeries and regular medicine by using some of these quote-unquote alternative methods that's going to be more and more actually becoming probably traditional in the medical industry here soon. So the next step, I'll spend the next 6 months feeling the improvements on the injections, and then I'll come back for another MRI, and hopefully we can see a big difference. So anybody out there, regardless of what pain, shoulder pain, COPD, hair, whatever, any old injuries from sports, all that stuff can be improved on by stem cells. So reach out to Mia at Stem Cells Colombia, and you guys can go from there.